Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this is the first time that I'm collaborating with this company. Now I wanted to try this company out just because I went on the website, saw how professional it was first of all, and then I saw that they had different styles, different colors that I don't really see that other companies are doing. So I wanted to go ahead and give this one a try, and you guys can see that this unit is bomb AF. So this hair video is actually sponsored guys by Idnhair guys. This is my first time, like I said, collaborating with this company. The unit is very pretty. Now the lace on this one is definitely a little bit different guys. It is your clean HD lace guys, a very natural clear lace. However, they do have something new called scalp knots. Now your normal knots will be like 3 to 4 strands of hair, but this one is only 1 to 2 strands of hair guys. And when I come up close, you guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at how natural that hairline looks guys. It is very, very, very clean and very, very crisp. I think that they did an excellent job with this one. You guys can see I did the baby hairs on this side just to keep it kind of simple and nice. But the unit is very, very crisp. You guys can see the front of this hairline is freaking gorgeous guys, so gorgeous. So they did a really nice job on this unit guys. The unit did come to me styled, as you guys can see in the beginning of this hair tutorial. It's a little bit styled. All I did was just go and add some nice layers into it because I wanted to show you guys how I would style this unit. It's important just to show you guys that part because you're not going to take a unit and just slap it on your head and keep it pushing. It literally doesn't work that way. So I want to show you guys me just curling it, doing light layers in this one. Now I did do baby hairs on this side guys because I wanted to just show you guys how natural and pretty the lace is. Kept it very light with the baby hairs, nothing crazy. Like I said, light layers, but the coloring job on this one is absolutely gorgeous guys. It's like a tri-colored wig, so it has like its nice natural dark roots. It goes into this very, very pretty burgundy color, as you guys can see. And to be honest, this burgundy color is very rich and pretty. Like, I've never really seen a color like this one done well. This one is very, very nice. It also goes into like this Auburn orangey color at the bottom, which is very gorgeous as well, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this triple color. Like I said, I usually don't go for stuff like this, but when I saw this one, I was like, you know, this is looking very, very fire. So let me go ahead and see what it's giving. And I can say this unit is definitely very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. As you guys can see, I absolutely love this unit. I think the unit came out very nice. It's definitely a very nice color for autumn, fall season. Very, very vibrant in there, but it's not doing too much, even though it's a tri-colored wig. The color combination is very, very pretty, guys. It just gives kind of like a wow factor. And the fact that this hair does not shed and it curls nicely and gives like a soft, feminine, nice kind of luxe look. I love doing curls now with layers. It's just kind of been my jam, and this unit has a perfect construction for it and everything, guys. So I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. The hair is very pretty, guys. I can't I'm trying out these new companies and I'm pretty much impressed by the quality of these units. Everything is super upgraded, guys. You got the new scalp knots. you can't lose, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, and I'll also leave a coupon code so you guys can save $20 off your purchase. You know I'm always giving you guys a little coupon code so you can go ahead and make your purchases. Black Friday sales are coming up and stuff like that, guys, so make sure you go ahead and make some purchases. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.